So somebody actually did ask me recently, where am I a mechanic? Well, no, I'm not a mechanic, but where I'm standing is how I started getting into stuff and the love of knowing how stuff works in engineering. This is actually my beloved dad who's just passed away. This was his workshop. He was a builder. He built the workshop I'm standing in. I'll give you a little tour so you can see. And when the age of about 8, which is many moons ago, this is where I spent most of my time making stuff, taking stuff apart and trying to work out how things work. Look at these cobwebs. And a lot of this stuff, I kid you not, has been here since the late 70s, early 80s. It just hasn't changed. Everything you see, all of this here, this I reckon has probably been here for about 40 years. Up there, these are the original saws that cut these beams. These are about 400-500-year-old solid oak beams. This was doing when he did his lathe work. He had a lot of wood tools and things, but the whole barn was actually built for a house. This was going to be where his parents were going to live. Unfortunately, the planning permission put an end to that, but nevertheless, this was all built literally by him. Every single beam was dragged by hand, and if you look closely, he did it the old school way, and he used pins. So he drills holes, and instead of it being bolted, you can see here, it's drilled through with a wooden pin to lock it all in place. So they're all recycled beams. And yeah, I spent many a happy time in here as a kid. And what have you got now? You got YouTube. Here it is. This is where I spent most of my childhood, on this vise, taking stuff apart, trying to put it back together again. I've still got all my old tools in there, and yeah, a lot of sentimental values. Give you an idea of what it took to cut these beams. Have a look at that saw up there. I'll put that window up there. Good, isn't it? And these gates, he put all those up himself as well.